My name is Abdullahi Sheikh Ahmed Sudan. I am from Kenya. I came to Apollo Hyderabad 2017 with my son, who was 3 years old at that time, my son Ahmed. We came because he had hearing impairment. Under the consultation of Dr. C Vinaya Kumar, we were advised that the best option is cochlear implant. And we went for that option. Now, fast forward today, 7th of August 2025, we can say that a journey of 8 years have really shown us a big improvement, unexpected. We were really not expecting the improvement and the sound and the speech my son has developed. We can say it's a blessing, it's a gift. And we are recording today this testimony to give thanks to Hyderabad Apollo, and a special thanks to Dr. C Vinaya Kumar and his team, especially my friend Dr. Srikant, the chief audiologist. I'm very happy about the cooperation. While I was in Kenya, I came here second time for upgrading from NAIDA to Sky, which is Cochlear AB, Advanced Bionics. I also could not forget any time that one of the advices and one of the big help that I got in Apollo was I was one of the beneficiaries of Sahi. Sahi is a society that helps people with hearing impairment. They helped a lot, a big support for us while it was our first time in India. I never even knew about Sahi, but Dr. C Vinaya Kumar, with his guidance, we got a big help, and we really appreciate that. And for anyone who is having doubts about whether to go for cochlear, any stage, which is, if it is profound, please, we are a living testimony to that. We are a living example, and for any guidance we can communicate. And thank you so much.
Has been very successful over the past 3 decades that we've been doing here. We have patients from all over the world, including India, of course, and we have operated on patients from 23 countries so far. And it gives us great satisfaction that we are able to give back the hearing which they have lost, and they are able to lead normal lives after that. Thank you.